let's introduce Charlie Chatbot, and let's create a highly effective Facebook Messenger campaign for your business. So, look, the key here, and Mike, jump in here for a few, for a few moments and add in your valuable 10 cents worth. We know that the chat build world is really just starting out. We've only got 300,000 being deployed to a 1.3 billion audience. And how many current advertisers are there right now?
About 6 million.
6 million. So we're still very much in the infancy stage, which is really exciting. And actually, for those of you who are using somebody to do your Facebook advertising, here's another point. Go and have a chat to them about how much they know about chatbots and whether they actually have the knowledge to be able to integrate a comprehensive Facebook ad campaign into a chatbot for you that can actually drive pre-qualified leads your way. Okay, so for any of you out there in Cyberland who are using Facebook advertising, go and get that checked. Also, even if you're not doing Facebook advertising, but if you've got a social media marketer managing your Facebook pages, go and ask them about their level of competency and proficiency around chatbots. You may find that in actual fact they could be doing you a disservice because they're doing one component rather than a multiple component approach inside Facebook marketing. So look, there's only, be in the top 1% is definitely something we recommend. Something that we can help you with, and once again, under this program, this is a massive advantage for you to take advantage of, is that, look, we can assist you in attracting those qualified, pre-qualified leads. Retention is a big one too. I know we've not really hit on retention, Mike, but this is even a great way for you to re-engage your customers that you may not have communicated with in a while.
Absolutely. Yeah, and you can use Facebook ads to help you do all that as well.
Absolutely, to put the word out there going, hello, are you out there? Is it me you're looking for?
Yeah. It's not bad here for an ad, actually.
Exactly. So put that in for an ad there, mate. We'll be talking about that after this call. Set up your sales, your marketing and customer support for the future. Remember, this is not a one-trick pony. Marketing today is no longer on what I call as an analog or linear approach. When you're looking at your marketing strategies, you almost want to be going to the nth degree. How far can I actually push this? What is the limitation? What is the new limitation for me now? So once again, inside your Facebook, how much further can I push it at a minimal investment? You want to be building your messenger list and increasing your brand loyalty. So once again, if your current strategy is doing that for you, brilliant, then stick to the current strategy. However, if it's not doing that, then you may need to reinvigorate your current Facebook strategy. And remember, it's a 3-step process for deploying and employing and loving on Charlie Chatbot. So what we do, and primarily we can assist you with automating your conversations. Once again, under this program, you've got an opportunity to find out more in more detail specific to your particular needs and requirements inside your business. Why do we do it? Look, fundamentally, team, we understand that the most valuable intangible asset inside your business is your database. Databases are gold. And I'm amazed at how we invest in fact, there was a HubSpot actually put out a statistic. How relevant it is, I don't know. It's a HubSpot statistic, but they said that businesses on average spend $97 in obtaining one lead, but they only spend $1 in converting that lead. So imagine, team, if you could flip that money and actually have $1 being spent on generating a lead and $1 on converting that lead into a sale. It blows my mind when I look at people with databases and I go, great, how are you communicating to those databases? Well, we're not. So you spent all this money, you've got the customer, and then you decided that they weren't whatever, you decided, I'm going to go find me a new customer. So for those of you there who have got a database, a current database that you've not done anything with because you're too busy spending your money and your time on lead generation, then I encourage, potentially you might want to look at the chatbot, Charlie chatbot, actually re-engaging with those people and sharing the love with them. How do we do it? Look, there's a number of different strategies that we put in play in regards to your particular requirements and needs. So once again, under this program, please come back to us. Let us have a little bit more of a specific conversation around how we can best support you. Bear in mind that you want a strategy that is a fit for purpose program for you. You know, how we put together a program for a real estate agent is going to be a little bit different for a lawyer or for somebody who's in alternative health therapies. So once again, when you're talking to your current Facebook supporters, ask them, how are they differentiating or creating uniqueness for you right now from their other clients, their other customers that they're working with? So once again, do look at and bear in mind that your business is unique and therefore requires a unique strategy. And look, it's a simple way to get started. So definitely one of the things I encourage, research. If there is the ability there for you to test before you invest, then please do so.